An HRM file captures your workout data from a polar heart rate monitor. Every heartbeat, pace change, and training zone recorded during your exercise session. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you analyze, import, or convert these fitness tracking data files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single HRM file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. HRM files are exercise data files from polar heart rate monitors and fitness devices containing time-stamped heart rate measurements, exercise duration, speed, altitude, and calorie data recorded during workout sessions for fitness tracking and training analysis. Polar HRM files use a text-based INI format, with sections including Params for session metadata, HRData for heart rate samples, trip for distance and speed data, and HRZones for training zone definitions. Data is recorded at configurable sample intervals, typically 5 seconds. The ideal software for creation and opening of HRM is Polar ProTrainer 5 from Polar Electro. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows may preview high-level details, but full interpretation requires appropriate data processing tools. We are performing the initial application diagnostic. Right-click your HRM file and choose Open With. Test with Polar ProTrainer 5 first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often a simple compatibility swap. If the HRM file won't open, don't panic. This HRM file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, viewing exercise data. Import the HRM file into PolarFlow web service at flow.polar.com or use the Polar ProTrainer software. The application displays heart rate graphs, training zone analysis, calorie expenditure, and exercise duration with detailed performance metrics. Next, analyzing in third-party apps. Import HRM files into training analysis tools like Golden Cheetah Sport Tracks or Training Peaks. These applications parse the text-based HRM format and provide advanced analytics including performance trends, interval analysis, and training load calculations. Finally, converting to TCX or GPX. Use GPS Babel or a Python script to convert HRM files to TCX or GPX format for compatibility with Strava, Garmin Connect, and other fitness platforms. The text-based HRM format is straightforward to parse, enabling custom conversion scripts for specific platform requirements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.